everybody. Today we're gonna make a cleaning channel.
Hello,
Okay?
Stephanie.
And this is my baby sister Stephanie, but it was not. I was joking. I'm me, and this is my baby sister Aya. Okay? Oh, go in now, my baby sister, and then we can talk, and let's start the cleaning. Now we're done cleaning. Look at this. Now I'm gonna put this in the trash can. Do you see it? Oh no, not again. I'm just gonna use Here, everybody is clean. Oh. See it? Now I'm gonna put this in the Hello, I'm Aya. Oh, that's my baby sister. Now we're gonna clean up here. Okay. See? All this. Clean. There's so many things to clean up. Good.
Hello.
I'll get it. Hello, I'm Aya. Stop going here, my baby sister. Sorry. Come on. Come on, Aya, my baby sister.
Hello.
Now we're gonna put this in the bucket. Now let's go and again put this. Now wait a minute. I'm gonna move to the other place that we need to clean. Oh, hi. Let's help Mommy clean the dishes. Mommy, can you help clean the dishes? Enough, because it might do that. And then let's clean this now. The bed here. Wait. Now I'm gonna help my daddy clean. I'm watching today this. Hey, wait a minute. My baby sister, stop that. Hey. Sorry. Everybody, sorry about that. I'm cleaning. Okay, now. We got another pillow here. Cat, this, come on. Phew. Put this here. See it? Oh, you're sorry. I'm gonna go lock Sinala Daddy. I'm gonna put this in here too correctly. To do it correct. There, you see it? I have a lot of candy inside there. And then you see it? I'm gonna clean this. Put this back. I'm sorry about that. I was just... See the bag? See? It's nice now. Goodbye. The video is done. Bye-bye, everybody.